continuous pyrolysis unit with a daily processing capacity of 50 tons costs nearly $600,000. But a batch processing unit with a daily capacity of 15 tons costs around $50,000. Combining multiple batch units to achieve the same scale would cost $150,000, a huge price difference. What is the reason for this? The core reason lies in the differences in production efficiency and environmental performance. Continuous equipment enables uninterrupted, sealed production around the clock, integrating real-time feeding, heating, condensation, and slag discharge while offering excellent environmental performance. Batch equipment is used for cyclical production. The equipment requires cold furnace slag discharge on a daily basis. Prolonged idle periods result in low efficiency, and the manual opening of the furnace door during slag discharge makes carbon black contamination unavoidable. Continuous processing equipment is essentially an intelligent, industrialized production line. The combination of higher integration, advanced automation, and strict environmental standards alongside a design for large-scale capacity drives up costs. Consequently, continuous refining equipment is significantly more expensive than batch-type systems.
Doing waste to wealth. Fuel the future.